sand outside.
This is a serious sandstorm coming in. Wow. Serious. Look at this sandstorm. This sandstorm is rolling in as I speak. This place is fixing to get covered in sand. A serious sandstorm rolling in. We're talking massive. Look at the sand coming in. This place is fixing to get crazy. Alright, I'm going inside now because the sand is coming in really, really fast. Real quickly. Man, you can't see nothing. And this is the same picture I had a while ago. This is the same sky we just had. Now you can see what it looks like. The same sky. You can't see nothing. That's how bad it is. You cannot see anything.